As a DoorDash merchant, you have multiple ways to change your pickup location when needed. Understanding these methods will help you manage your business more effectively. There are three primary methods to change your pickup location: through the merchant dashboard, using the mobile app, or via API integration for businesses with dynamic locations. The first method is through the merchant dashboard. Log into your DoorDash for Business portal, navigate to Store Settings, then Location Management. Here you can edit your address, coordinates, and pickup instructions. The second method uses the mobile app. Open the DoorDash for Business app, tap Location in the main menu, then select Change Pickup Location. You can enter a new address or use GPS positioning for accuracy. For businesses with frequently changing locations, API integration provides the most efficient solution. This allows you to update location data programmatically, perfect for food trucks or businesses with dynamic pickup points. Important timing considerations. Location changes typically take 15 to 30 minutes to propagate across the platform. Always communicate proactively with customers about any location changes to maintain satisfaction and avoid confusion. By mastering these location management tools, you can ensure smooth operations and maintain customer satisfaction, even when your pickup location needs to change. Scheduled orders on DoorDash offer flexibility for both customers and merchants when it comes to changing pickup locations. Understanding the rules and timeframes is essential for smooth operations. Customers have up to 2 hours before their scheduled pickup time to make location changes. They can access this feature through Your Orders and then Modify Order in the app. However, changes are restricted to the same delivery zone, and customers may incur additional fees depending on the distance of the new location. The DoorDash interface provides clear pickup schedule details, showing order information, timing, and pickup addresses that can be modified within the allowed time frame. Merchants have a shorter window for making changes, only up to 1 hour before the scheduled pickup time. Any merchant-initiated change requires customer notification and explicit consent. Merchants must ensure the new location maintains the same service area coverage. If a customer declines the proposed change, the system automatically processes a refund. The key to successful pickup location management is clear communication between all parties. Timely notifications and transparent processes ensure customer satisfaction and operational efficiency.